Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to use our promo diamonds. So this is my main account and the best skins to get are the ones that are limited or the ones that you use. Since I already only have 5 diamonds, I cannot get this Dragon Shiryu, but it's okay because I already have KOF Shu. So my other choices are these epic skins. This Beleric skin is also good because it's new, but it costs 898. So the skin that I will buy is this Selena Virus because it's limited skin. Oh, this card also looks good. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to buy. I love limited skins. So it will cost me 898 diamonds. Sorry, promo diamonds. And 1 diamond. So let's use our diamonds. For 100 collection points. This is my 642 skin. And I still have 11 more, so I can still buy what's this? Yes, this one. It's also good to get. Wait, do I get Crystal Aurora from this? Oh, okay. So with this, I'll be able to get Crystal of Aurora. What is this trial card? Maybe this is a trial card. Oh, chance to get another following. So you're guaranteed to get 30 Crystal of Aurora. So this is a good bang for your buff. Bang for your buck. I'll be able to use up all my 11 diamonds. So this is a monthly value pack. Okay. Because if you buy this, you might get 10 or 12. But if you buy this, you will surely get this 30. So I think it's worth it for 4 diamonds. So let's try this. And we got 30 Crystal Aurora. And if you're a new player, this Magic Dust will also help. And we got a trial card of Tide Preserver. Okay. So we have used up all our diamonds exactly. This is the first time that I've seen my diamonds reach 0. Anyways, that's it guys. Maybe you guys can donate some diamonds to me for my content. If you enjoy my content, please like and share the video. Thank you for watching. I just want to know that what skin did you buy with your promo diamonds, or did you try it for the recall? Comment on the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.